Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on iPhone 17 Pro. Okay, so we have three methods. First method that I'm about to show you is backup into our iCloud. Second option is backupping into our Mac. And as a last method, we can also copy into our PC or laptop, but with a Windows operating system. Let's begin with the with the iCloud. To do it, open up your settings, click on your account on the top, then scroll down a little. And now we also need to make sure that the backup function is enabled. We can click on our iPhone right in here, click on iCloud backup and make sure that it's enabled right in here. You also need to have a little bit of the free storage space in your iCloud to create it. If you don't have enough, simply delete something to get some space. And now simply click on backup now to create a backup. Now as you can see, the bar appeared, and now we need to wait a little bit until it's finished. It's going to take a little bit, so we just need to be patient. Alright, and now as you take a look, when you take a look on the last successful backup, we have current hour, and as you take a look, it was like made 10 seconds ago, so everything went fine, and now our backup is saved in our iCloud. If you would like to restore that backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Apple account on which you made that backup. In my case, it's this account. Okay, and now we can go into the backup using the Mac. So I need to make some space right in here. Now we need to connect our iPhone into our Mac using the USB-C cable. So I have my cable right in here with me. And now we need to connect our iPhone into our Mac. Okay, also if you are connecting your iPhone to the Mac or to the PC for the first time, a notification will appear. Trust this computer, and we need to click on trust, and we need to type our screen lock to confirm. Okay, just like that. Now I'll place my iPhone next to me and I'll show you what to do on the Mac. So to do it, we need to open up the Finder app right in here. Simply click on that. Now on the locations, select your iPhone that appeared right in here. Now find backups, select backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac, and now click on backup now. Now the process will start. Oh, it says it's blocked with the passcode. I know that, but maybe we need to again click on our iPhone to confirm. So let's click once again. Okay, again, notification about the trust appeared. So again, type your code to confirm. And now everything should be fine. We need to wait a little bit. Okay, a new bar appeared right in here on the bottom. And now we need to simply wait until this process is finished. Again, it's going to take a little bit, so I'll see you once it's done. Alright, and when the bar down below disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. That's how we can backup our data into our Mac. Now it's stored on our Mac, of course. Okay, and now I'll show you how to do it on a laptop or PC with the Windows operating system. So I'll launch my PC to show you how to do it. Okay, to do it on a PC, we need to open up the Microsoft Store. To find it, simply click on the Windows button. In here, type Microsoft Store, then open up the app. And in the bar above, type Apple devices, then download this app. Now we can open it. Okay, just like that. I need to also adjust the size of the window of this window a little bit. Alright, just to make some space. Okay, now we need to connect our iPhone into our PC using the USB-C cable, just like that. Now the phone should also ask you to trust this computer. If it doesn't want to work, you can always restart the app or plug and unplug the cable. If the cable doesn't want to detect the phone, just like in my case, you can always try with a different cable. That's what I'm going to do right now, because it doesn't want to recognize the iPhone. Alright, as you take a look, I have changed the cable and now everything works properly. Trust this computer, click on trust, type the passcode. Okay, and as you can see, it also works in our Apple Devices app. And just like on our Mac, it looks almost the same. Select backups, back all the data on your iPhone to this computer, and now click on backup now. Again, type the code on your iPhone to confirm. Okay, the bar down below appeared. It's starting to fulfill, and when it disappears, it will mean that our backup has been successfully made. We'll also see an information right in here probably. So let's wait until it's finished. It shouldn't take long, so I'm not going to skip the video. I mean, I'm not going to speed it up. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, and we can see right in here. Let's back up to this computer. We have the date and the current hour. So everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.